all you fellow travelers and armchair tourists, I hope you enjoy this evening tour of Lisbon, Portugal. To see the full walk, just click on the link above. But first, please subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video for the YouTube algorithm. You can share this video with a friend if you want to support the channel, and this will help me bring you high-quality tours from around the world. Grazie. Ciao.